Okay, I'm at Westward. This is right off of North Lake Way. I think the address is 2501 North Lake Way. This is the parking lot for Stephen Gray and Associates. They also share it with a couple other companies in here. But I want to give a price to them for some seal coat, crack fill, and striping, as well as a little bit of asphalt repair. So let's talk about staging and all this kind of stuff. Like, what kind of space do we have here? You can see there's 4-hour parking throughout the day if we want to park across the street. So it's kind of a convenient deal for us when it comes to seal coating. For asphalt repairs, down here and a little bit down here on this end, we can park and stage across the street. So as far as striping goes, we've got on the north end here, there's a 12-inch stencil that says loading zone only. So it goes loading zone, and then above it the word only. And then you've got this crosshatched area, which equals about it's around 70 feet of 4-inch white crosshatching in there. And then you've got these stencils that were here, but the restaurant is no longer here at this location. So we need to black out 5 different stencils on the parking lot. Just black those out, and then they're just going to be regular parking stalls. Regular parking stalls, striping, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. We'll just say times 20. So that's 160 feet of 4-inch white line striping for parking stalls. You got an additional 50 feet of crosshatch there. So add that 50 feet to this. 1 ADA stencil with blue background. Down here at the bottom, we've got a no parking stencil. This is a 12-inch no parking. All right, and then as far as seal coat goes, it runs down here right along the pavers, right in front of the bollards, goes up along the edge of the trash enclosure, wraps just around it. Let's see how far. We'll seal coat this little section that's right here. So seal coat that in front of the trash enclosure, and then go right along this seam here. And that'll be the outlining of the seal coat measurement. Crack fill, we've got approximately, we got about 200 feet of crack fill in here. And then you've got some asphalt repairs that look like need to be done. So here's one right in this section right here, where you had a saw cut that came through like this at an angle. I think they need to replace this right here. So this would be a 12 by 15 right here. So it kind of cut into the ADA stall and over. So 12 by 15. Then you've got this area out here where it's damaged all throughout here. I don't know what they had going on in this area, particularly right in this spot, but it looks like it could be a repair. So for the asphalt repair on this, you've got from the trash enclosure here, go all the way out to the street, over to this seam, all the way down that seam to there. So you've got, let's see here, I gotta get this measurement. So this whole section right here is a 90 foot by 14. That would be from this seam that goes over to the first stall, all the way down, right to the trash enclosure. That whole front area there. We're going to let's assume 4 inches on this right now. 4 inches. Remove and replace the asphalt right here in the front, and then this 12 by 16 here in this area, and that should do it. Any other questions, let me know. There's a potential that we could do the asphalt at the beginning of the year, and then we'll come in and do the seal coat, striping, and crack fill later. But this is for Stephen Gray and Associates. Any other questions? Let me know.